Hello, today we're going to be picking a kick lock. I received this off West Coast Picks. Thank you West Coast Picks for the lock. But the lock was actually made by Trekmaster 30 and he's named it a Rodney. As you can see, the key's mummied up. Yeah, old Rodhurst. Right, let's give it a shot. I haven't picked this open yet. I've gotten into a default set and then I struggle. As you can see, it's all locked. Lock, cocked and ready to rock. Right, let's see if I can get this picked. About. I thought it was open. Here we go, is a default set that does my nut right in, so I can't get out of it. I tried manually trying to do it and I just ended up losing my default set, so I was going to try and do it without manually doing it. Just keep my pressure light on the tension. Now go open. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. That's the boy. That is the one. Is that number one all the time? Right, zoom out. Now it's number one all the time. There we go, picked. Now Rodney. Let's pull this off. Let's have a look at the key bit. As you keep hitting. There. Right, let's get this thing gutted. Let's get this gutted. Right, we can lock it up because we have a key. There we go. Right, where's my stuff? Where is it gone? That's right in front of my eyes. So that's one down of the key. I've got these other four to go next, but getting these popped open as well. I'll try and get another one done today. If not, it'll be tomorrow. I can see it next week. It's back. And there's the thing just went shooting across the room. The circlip. I'll get in a bit. Aye. Next week it's back to the pick making again. Like I say, I'm going to send them all out together. Like that fits perfect, hopefully. That's the one, yes. Right, as you can see, that's what it would look like inside. Right. No wonder. There's one, that's just standard. Maybe it's a standard look like. So I'd be thinking to myself that was hard for the standard. No, we've got this. We've got Trickmaster's handiwork. Very nice as always. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Right, let's have a look at the core. As you can see it all threaded. So we've got number 1 and number 2 looks like, I don't know if it's been widened a bit, but from 3 all the way to 6 is all threaded. Can you see it all? And there's your front end. Right, let's go. Now this is the bit I hate. I put a big roller so that it doesn't fall through. There's my tweezers gone. Just had them there 2 minutes ago. Right, let's go. Spool. Next one. Another spool. Very nice sharp edges on them. The next one. Very nice. Serrated. Come here. I think that would have went in that way. I think I could be wrong. Could be wrong. And 2 more. Last but not least. There. Now that is weird. Looks like there's a pin stuck right in the core. That's my light. It is pushed right down. There's a pin that's actually pushed right down. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see the pin. It's pushed right down, and I didn't think I'm going to be able to bang that out. No, that is well and truly jammed. Damn it. The threading, it's got caught in the threading, and the threading, it's keeping it put like jammed in. So basically this lock is a 5-pin lock, and I'm lucky enough it's got a clip at the top, so I can push it back out, but I haven't got enough time to do it now. So basically all that time, that number 5 is jammed right in, the threading's caught it all. And the threading's caught. I have to pull that clip off somehow and actually bash it out. But it's caught in there, and all the inside's threaded as well, which I'll show you. I can't see the threading. I've looked on the other side. See the threading, and that's where the pin is. Is it this side? The pin's jammed right down to there. That's how far the pin is, right down. So the threading's actually jammed the pin. Anyway. It's picked, and I'll fix that so it's back to its original self. And obviously the spring is pushed down with that other driver. Right, let's go. Very nice pin work, Trickmaster. There. vice. Right. As you can see, we have a standard key pin in number 1. I'm going to turn it round. Number 2, we have a serrated key pin, a serrated key pin in 3, a serrated key pin in 4. It looks like it tapered in number 5. And we have a serrated key pin in number 6, which would have been ineffective but in rights because the driver's pushed all the way right to the bottom. But the spools look like very, very thin spools, sharp edges. Driver in 1, number 2 is like a double spool, a serrated number 3, and that's not a pin, is it? No, that's just pure serrated all the way down in number 5. In number 4, sorry, and serrated in number 5. And there you go, a Rodney Kick Challenge lock, picked and gutted. And thanks very much West Coast Picks for sending the lock, and thanks Trek Master for making a beautiful lock. And I'll fix that little problem, and bye to everybody else. Bye.